guys, ayan, may family day celebration tayo guys. Samahan niyo ako today. Ayan, dito ako. Ayan, let's go. Tara. Patay mo na kung ano. Oh, dun tayo sa registration. Init. Let's go. Hayaan mo na. Puro bata daw kasi yung anak ko 13 years old na. Mali yata yung inano ko, ni-register ko guys. Pang concert dapat. Registration. Saan tayo? Ayan, dito tayo mag-register guys. Thank you. Yan, register tayo. Hi po. Aray ko. Ano po ipapakita?
ID po.
Ay, ID na lang. Buti na lang dala ko yung ID ko.
Pwede ko pa dictate po na employee ID.
Ay, nandiyan din po. Hindi ko kabisado. Sorry. Dinikit ka na for today's. Ano? At napakahaba, yes.
I-report na lang namin, sir. Pero umutod kasi hindi siya
Sa registration pa. Hanggang anong age po ba? Wala naman.
Wala naman po.
Kahit pang
May free wild companion po kayo?
yes, yung anak ko.
Okay, tapos... So, dalawa na lang po.
Thank you. May free ano ba to? Ay, may food stuff.
Opo, may
Wow.
mga drinks po tayo, tsaka mga sandwiches.
Thank you.
Enjoy po.
Alright, thank you po. Anak, hawakan mo ang food stuff natin. May free food. Sandali, pakilagay nga to. Ilagay mo dito sa akin. Tapos ako maglalagay din sa'yo. Dito. Ganyan. Yan, idikit mo. Tanggalin mo yung white. Sige, lahat ng white. Hindi, dito mo umpisahan. Sige, hawakan mo to. Ako ang, ayan, hawakan mo. Lagyan natin. Baka sobrang laki ng mukha ko dyan, guys, ha. Tapos ako naman. Yan, yes, family day, guys. Well, no age daw. Kasi mukhang pambata yun. Wala namin family day. May free food daw. May free food. Excited ako sa food, guys. Kaya ano yung video na baka wala silang makita. Ay, akin na yung food stub natin. Ayan, may food stub. Ano to? Siomai, 6 pieces, mixed balls, hot dog, chicken poppers, burger, french fries, popcorn, cotton candy, ice cream, juice. Ang dami, guys. Kunin natin lahat yan. Hello, Lourdes Estorco Mangawang. Hello, Gladys Sarate Mangawang. Thank you for watching. Saan na tayo? Ang init. Ayan, guys, so ay, hurt yung payo. Mainit siya for today's video. Pero bilisan natin na. Meron lang kaming 2 hours dito. Wait, Kurt, try mo doon umakyat. Dali. Sige na, enjoy mo minsan lang to. Ikutin daw namin lahat. Ayan, nanood lang kayo, guys. Ang init. Para maglaro. Pero andito na kami, guys. Dyan din gaganapin yung concert. Oh, guys, oh. Today is family day. Oh, yan. Dito rin pala later. Kasi hindi kami nag-join na ng yung ganda. Oh. Tingin-tingin lang kayo, guys, ha? Oh. Yun ang itry mo na ko, yung mataas doon. Ayun, oh. Gusto mo ako na lang? Ay, natakot ako. Gusto mo ikaw? Dali, video kita. Libre yan. Guys. Oh. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dito, guys. Oh.
Okay, everybody.
Ayan, guys. Ay, Kurt, oh. Yun, bola. O, dali. Ayan na lang. Kuha ka ng ano doon, balls. Ayan, maglalaro yung anak ko. Kuha ka doon. Ayun, kunin mo yung mga balls doon sa ilalim nun. Ayun doon, kuha ka doon. Dali na, Kurt. Huwag mahiya.
You guys are so good. I think everyone...
Yan, sige. Kita ka dyan sa ilalim. Ayan, yung mga balls dyan. Saan ba makakuha ng mga balls dyan? Ah. O, yan, Kurt. O, yan. Ay, yung mga bola na yan na lalaglag. Ah, tatatlo lang ba yung bola? O, yan.
Ice cream kayo muna nak para malamig.
Yan, mag-e-enjoy yung anak ko ngayon. Shoot! Nax, o, dali. Kuha ka dyan. Maglaro ka lang. Parang nahiya pa yung anak. Sige na, maglaro-laro ka dyan. Okay. Naya siya. Hello kay Jay Esperago. Ayan, Jay. Umaten ka ba ng family day? Pambata pala to, guys.
I know, right?
Oh.
Okay. You guys ready? In reality, I think it's the parents thing.
Gusto mo pa-picture doon? Yun na si ano?
The winner?
Ayun.
I think they're ready. Yes, please.
Ayan.
Okay. Water break.
Ayan, dito yan. Kung saan mo gusto.
Water break. Water break. Water. Where's the water? Water break. I feel like it's so serious now. Oh, this is like stop.
Ayaw mo magka-picture? Ayun. Ayaw daw niya. Kumain na lang tayo. Ingat, ay kain na lang tayo, guys.
Water break first. Water break.
Or mag, ano yung bola dun, oh.
I love it. They're really taking the water break so seriously.
Oh, ganyan yung ano, meron dito sa family day. Ito, mag-ano ka muna, mag-shoot ka muna ng ball, tapos kain tayo. Ayun, meron pala dito, oh. Hintay tayo ng turn. Ayun, si ano, oh. Ayan, dyan. Next ka dyan na. Oh, mga bo. Tapos, pagkatapos na ito, kain tayo. O, ayan. Bumila ka dun. Ganito lang ang mga ano, maputik ha. Ayan. Hello kay Larry D. Guzman. Matagal pa rin pala yan. May oras pa rin. Ayan. May ano ba ini-insert? Ah, walang ini-insert. Hintayin mo lang. Ayan. Ayan, oh. O, game. Next. Oh, ikaw na. Dali na kayo. Mahiyain yung anak ko, at 13 years old. Ay. Ako nga, try ko nga yan na. Ayan. Hello. Walang mai-shoot. Ayan, very good. May na-shoot din. Hello kay Zaino Dalimbang. Ayan, for watching. Thank you for watching. Try ko nga. Mag-shoot din ako. Try ko. Paki-ano nga. Try natin mag-shoot. So, let's go. Kain na tayo, guys. Napanood niyo yan, guys? Marunong pala ako, no? Saan tayo pipila? Ay, yung food stub natin. Hindi tayo makakain. Anong gusto mo? Oo nga eh. Anong gusto mo? Siomai. Masyadong mahaba ang ano. Ha? Kain tayo dito. O, food pass. Kasi yung oras hanggang ano lang tayo. Kuha na tayo ng mga French fries. Yung pala. Ano pa gusto mo dito? Puro pambata pa. Ayan, try mo yung mataas doon, oh.
And since you guys are so good, we're just gonna grab water.
Tingin tayo dito ng ano, food.
Okay, let's just grab water very quickly.
Okay,
Let's
water.
go.
Okay, yeah. I don't know. The game is so tiring, so we're gonna refresh a bit. Or, you know, on second thought, let's check out the inflatables, guys. Feel you wanna pull out the
I think that's a good idea, right? Okay, okay, I'm sorry.
Uy, may restroom pala. Naiihi ka ba?
Hindi, hihingi ka ba?
Hindi. Tingin tayo ng mga ano.
though. You can keep dancing though if you want. No worries. But you dance so well.
Ano ba yung mga doon yata yung food o dyan?
Again, so we'll see you again later. But for now, let's see who our winners score in a few minutes. Hold it. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Music, please. I don't know about you, but I think we're gonna have an LSS with this song. It's so catchy and so good.
Kunin na natin yung mga foods. Mga food. Cotton candy. Siomai, mixed balls.
You know this song, right?
Fan over here.
Okay. That's why she's very fresh, right?
Ice cream. Konti lang. Ang haba ng mga pila, guys.
What's your name, young girl? How old are you? What's your favorite dessert?
Haba. Lakad-lakad muna tayo.
Do you want a chocolate flavored ice cream? Or strawberry? Oh, that's so good. Okay. Anyone else? What flavor do you like? Ice cream? Chocolate? Oh, I told you I can understand chocolate.
Oh, you got that right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, Theo Bruno, I think this is so hard to decide, right? They're doing so well, but we know we can't always keep you here, but we want you guys to enjoy the inflatables, the treats we have, enjoy all the treats. So with that,
Magtsaga na tayo pumili.
congratulations to our 5 winners! You guys can now move. Yes, you can move. It's not a joke this time. Okay. Promise. You can now move. Yes, you can move. Don't worry. Don't worry.
And give them a big round of applause, everybody.
Yes,
Good job. Yes, you can move now. Okay, you can move. So I
Dito
think
tayo sa maiksi ang pila muna, guys.
You them, right? Mirabel. So your name, please. This young boy right here. That's from the very
Yan, hotdog sandwich. Dito muna tayo sa hotdog sandwich. Napakaya. Ayan guys, i-end ko na yung live ko ha. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura ng family day namin dito. Thank you guys for watching. Ingat po. Kakain muna kami. Bye!